Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Summer is around the corner and we are ready to welcome the warmer months. I think you are already planning your summer wardrobe of swimsuits, shorts and sandals. But have you thought about how your skincare routine should change with the season? In today's video, I will share some tips that will help to prep your skin for summers. So let's start the video. All that hot sticky weather can leave your skin looking oily and shiny. You need to sweep away oil, dirt and impurities morning and night with a good facial cleanser or micellar water. Choose cleansers according to your skin. If you are on the go, pick a micellar water that is mattifying like the Garnier micellar water. Just pour some out onto a cotton pad and wipe the pad across your face. If you are without makeup, no rinsing required. Use a foaming cleanser when you come back home to remove all dirt and impurities from your skin. Foaming cleansers keep your skin oil-free and fresh. You can use some effective foaming cleansers like the Himalaya Neem Face Wash, the Face Shop All Clear Cleansing Whip, Wow Upton Face Wash or First Water Clarifying Face Wash. These cleansers never leave my skin dry. Rose water soothes your skin in the hot weather. Keep rose water in your refrigerator and spray all over your face after cleansing. It keeps your skin soft and fresh. You have been using rich and hydrating moisturizer during the colder months. But in the warmer months, you need a lightweight lotion. Try a water-based moisturizer with matte finish. Some of my favorite ones are Belif Aqua Bomb Cream, Dot & Key Hydrating Gel and the Body Shop Vitamin C Cream. Such moisturizers keep your skin hydrated without making it shiny or greasy. Apply it gently all over your face after cleansing. If you have oily skin, never skip the moisturizer. You need a water-based gel moisturizer that will keep your skin oil-free but still hydrated. Though it is important to protect your skin from the sun rays year round. But if you have been careless till now, this is the right time using a sunscreen. Buy a new sunscreen that has UVA and UVB protection and comes in SPF 30 or 50. Try such sunscreens that protect your skin without making it greasy and oily. I highly recommend the Body Shop Skin Defense Sunscreen, Perenne Broad Spectrum Sunscreen and Requel Sheer Tinted Sunscreen. If you spend more time outdoors and love to visit the beaches, you should apply a generous amount of sunscreen on your body and face. Reapply it every 1-2 hours and enjoy the summer sun. Add a good face scrub and face mask to your weekly beauty routine because dirt, impurities, makeup and excess oil can build up on the surface of your skin, leaving your complexion looking oily. A good face scrub that gently exfoliates your skin to make tighter looking pores and less shiny skin. You can try the Pixie Beauty Peel and Polish Exfoliate, Ikai Almond Face Scrub or a chemical exfoliate like salicylic acid. It exfoliates the skin gently, removes the dead skin softly and makes it clean, fresh and smooth. A good clay mask will be perfect to control excess oil and keep your skin soft and oil-free. I love using Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Clay Face Mask and Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. Apply the mask evenly on your face and leave it for 15 minutes. And then wash it off with fresh water. It gives a soothing cooling sensation, calms the skin, takes away the oil and leaves skin feeling clean, soft and fresh. During summers, less makeup is best. Instead of foundation, try using a lightweight BB cream. Instead of foundation, try using a luminous lightweight BB cream like the Pixie Tinted Cream. This is extremely lightweight and does everything from priming to smoothing skin texture, making the complexion even, hydrates and hide imperfections. Apply it with a blender or your fingers. Also apply a face powder with SPF to avoid patchy skin. Apply a light touch of golden highlighter for a sun-kissed effect. Avoid letting your hair open in the hot, sticky weather. A high ponytail or hair bun will be great in this season. On your lips, a pastel pink or peach color lipstick or lip balm will give a fresh and natural look. Eye makeup is something which should be very much avoided in summers. Wear stylish sunglasses instead of eye makeup to protect your eyes and get a glam look. You should make water your best friend. At least 8 glasses of water are needed. If possible, carry a water bottle with you and remember to drink at least once every 30 minutes. You have packed your boots and socks, and this is the time to show your feet. Either go get a pedicure or give yourself one at home. You should scrub off the dead dry skin to reveal your sandal ready feet. Nothing is worse than seeing dull dry feet inside cute sandals. It doesn't take much time. Keep a foot scrub and filer in your shower and scrub your feet a few times a week. You will notice a big difference in the softness of your feet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the summer. Bye.